Troubleshooting why your contacts are not receiving your messages with Easy Texting. It may be rare, but it's still frustrating when you or your customers are unable to receive an important and perhaps timely message. There are just a few factors for this, so let's consider the options and then how to address. But first, confirm the phone number you're attempting to message has actually opted in to your subscriber list. If they text the word "help" to your registered number and get a message back, you'll know that they're subscribed. If, however, they don't receive a message back, you'll want to verify that they're included in the group for your intended text. Click on Contacts and use the search bar to find your contact you sent the text campaign to. If the contact has a blank spot under Groups, then they are not opted in. To add them to the group, simply click anywhere on their contact bar, and then Edit using the dropdown. Finish by selecting the checkbox next to the group you wish to add them to. Now, if your contact texts in the keyword associated with your account, they will receive the auto-reply message you have set up. To learn more about setting up your keyword, click the iCard in the top right. But what if the contact was already marked as part of the group? Then there's a few possibilities here. One is that several users are sending a significant abundance of texts simultaneously, causing phone carrier traffic delays to build up through the gateways. Typically, these last no more than 30 minutes. Another option to evaluate is whether or not the contact has an international carrier. Contacts can only receive messages based on what country they're registered in. The subscriber may also have a shortcode block on their account, in which case they'll need to contact their carrier provider to remove this. Watch our tutorial on why your contacts are receiving a service access denied response by clicking the iCard in the top right, and we'll guide you through any troubleshooting concerns. Congrats! You've now determined why your contacts are not receiving messages and how to successfully resolve this issue with Easy Texting. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.